Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share you my favorite perfumes that are inspired by Filipino celebrities and influencers. In my experience, researching what the Filipino celebrities or Hollywood celebrities' favorite perfume is actually very helpful, and I have to tell you, Filipino celebrities and influencers, they have good taste when it comes to perfume. So today I'm going to show you my favorite perfume inspired by them. So the first on the list is Labo SANTAL 33. Actually, there's two more scents that are from Labo, and I have to tell you, I only got the sample size, but they last really long, so it's worth it. They are quite expensive, and that's why I only bought the testers. Yes, these are not free. This is like, I think $7 each if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna put it somewhere here how much this costs. They are quite expensive, so I'm not committing to a full-size bottle yet because I'm still debating which one would be my favorite. But this is actually on the list, and the person who actually inspired me to buy this is Alden Richards. Alden Richards, obviously it's a guy, but this perfume is actually a unisex perfume. So both male and female can wear this. And I have read somewhere that this is even Justin Bieber's favorite perfume. I'm not sure about that, but I have read that you'll actually smell this all over LA. It's that popular scent. It's a very unique scent. It's not the kind of scent that you would actually expect from a perfume. This perfume actually smells like nature, but again, you wouldn't expect this to be in a bottle as a perfume, but it's a very unique and very beautiful scent. So the top notes on this perfume: violet accord and cardamom. Then the middle note is iris and ambrox, and then the base notes are cedarwood, leather, and sandalwood. It has this woody and powdery scent, and when it dries down, it just leaves that warm powdery scent. It's a very unique scent, and I don't know how to explain it. It smells like a very expensive wood. That's how it smells like. Like, you know, when you're in a cabin, that's how it smells like. It's very warm and woody, but I really love this scent, SANTAL 30. And then my second scent, the NOIR 29, again by Labo, and I was inspired to buy this because this was Mary Jasmin's favorite scent. I think she's a popular influencer in the Philippines. Let me spray this on. Oh my god. So this perfume actually reminds me of an expensive, sweet red wine. That's how it smells like. You know, when you open a fresh wine and you smell the cork, that's how it smells like. Again, the Labo is very good with experimenting with the smell. I don't know how their imagination works, but this is very unexpected mixture of smell, but it smells really good. Nothing that you would expect from an ordinary perfume. So the first thing that you would smell when you spray this on is the fig. So maybe that's why it reminds me of wine, because wine and figs. And then it dries down into a smoky, warm tobacco scent. Like, you know, when you open a fresh cigar and sniff it, it smells really good. So the top notes on this perfume are fig, bay leaf, and bergamot. And then the middle notes are cedar, vetiver, and musk. And the base notes are tobacco and hay. I love how this perfume actually reacts to my skin, and it's very long wearing. I think that because this perfume is very warm, it's a good evening date night perfume. So my third perfume is inspired by Concepcion. Actually, I watched her video about her perfume collection, and I think that she actually has one of the best nose when it comes to perfume. So if you are in a hunt for a good perfume, definitely check her video out. For sure, she'll have the best collection when it comes to perfume. To be honest, if there's one celebrity I want to meet and I want to raid her perfume collection, it would definitely be Concepcion. So Casey, if you're watching this, I know that you're not going to watch this, but in some sort of miracle, the universe gets you to this video. Casey, I love your perfume collection and thank you for recommending this perfume. This is the Jo Malone Peony and Blush Suede Cologne. This is, I think, my second or third bottle because this just smells so amazing. Top notes on this perfume are red apple, and then the middle notes are peony, rose, jasmine, and carnation. I think that this perfume actually caters to women of all ages. It's very fruity, so it suits the younger age, like the young pro generation, and then it has this feminine floral scent that suits like the 30s and up. So I think that this is a very beautiful perfume. It's not as long wearing as the Labo one. Well, I guess because it's a cologne and not a perfume. But it can last me up to like 5 hours. I actually have a video and I share to you guys how I make my perfume more long wearing. You should definitely check that out. I'm going to put that in the description bar below. And sometimes you really have to spray this heavily so it lasts longer. The dry notes on this perfume is very musky, and every time I wear this reminds me of weddings. I don't know why. Maybe because it's just very feminine. I had known this before my wedding. This would have been my wedding perfume. It's very feminine, very floral. It smells really good. This is my favorite scent of all Jo Malone scents. I have been trying other scents, but I always come back to this. The fourth perfume that I want to share is actually inspired by Labati. This perfume I had to wait until last summer, I think, or 2 summers ago, just to get it because this is not on their permanent collection. I think this is just seasonal, but this is the Jo Malone's Tropical Cherimoya. Okay, so at first spray, it actually has that strong like alcohol smell, maybe because it's a cologne and not a perfume. So again, this is the type of perfume that I would rather spray on my clothing than on my skin. Top notes on this perfume are passion flower and pear, and then the middle notes is Cherimoya, and then the base notes are tonka bean and copahu balm. So with this perfume, think of like summer vibes. It's girly, it's youthful, it's fruity. Seriously, you just want to like drink this because it smells like a very good fruit punch or a very good summery drink. It's a great summer cologne. The only thing with this is you really have to spray a lot so that it would be long wearing, and this is the type of cologne that I also like to spray on my clothing than on my skin because it really has that alcohol strong smell when you first spray it on. But it's a beautiful summer perfume. So if you're looking for a good summer perfume, this is the one. And I also just love the packaging of this. The green and pink color is just so pretty, and it's just so youthful. I think that this would also be a great gift for teenagers that are starting their perfume collection. So again, this is the Jo Malone Tropical Cherimoya. The fifth perfume is inspired by Janine Gutierrez. I love Janine Gutierrez. I just love her personality. She's very true to herself, and I love that she's very independent and she seems like a very sweet girl. And I have been watching her vlogs ever since I discovered it on YouTube, and she's a very gorgeous girl. I love her eyes. Anyways, back to the perfume. So I saw this on Cosmo Philippines, and she mentioned that her favorite perfume at that moment is this Labo Another 13. Honestly, as much as I love Janine, this one is, I think, a perfume that is not for everyone. So let me just spray this on. Every time I spray this perfume, like, it smells like the hospital. It actually also reminds me of Pepto-Bismol. Sorry, Janine. And I thought I was tripping, so I actually googled this. I saw that a lot of people also commented that this actually smells like medicine or the hospital, but it's only when you spray it the first few minutes. But when it dries down, it actually smells very pretty and it smells very light and airy. But with this perfume, I love putting this on my clothes or on a piece of cotton ball, and then I just stick it inside my clothing because it has this reaction to my skin. It kind of smells like metal when I put it on my skin. It has that reaction. You know when you have those perfumes that doesn't really react well on your skin and it's better to put on your clothing, this is one of them. So the notes on this perfume are ambrox, apple, pear, green citrus, and ambret. And I guess the ambret is the one making it smell kind of like a medicine. It actually smells light and airy at the end of the day. But again, this is a kind of perfume that you'd rather put on your clothing than on your skin because the smell might have a different reaction when you apply it on your skin. And for the final scent, this would actually show my age because the person who inspired me to buy this is Assunta de Rossi. You know those magazines? I used to buy that magazine religiously, like every month. And I saw that Assunta de Rossi loves this perfume. So I immediately asked my dad to buy this perfume for me. Oh my god, this smells so good. It really reminds me of my college days. This perfume used to be my perfume for every day during college. It just smells really, really good. The top notes on this perfume are lemon, bergamot, mint, orange peel, and rhubarb. And the middle notes are jasmine, oak moss, fennel, musk, carnation, and white amber. And the base notes are green tea, jasmine, oak moss, musk, celery seeds, caraway, cloves, and amber. Whoa, a lot. I didn't know that this perfume has a lot of notes in it, but it just really smells fresh. This is something that you want to put on after you shower or before you go to bed or on a crisp, cool morning before you go somewhere. And this is within a good price range, so it's really a perfect everyday perfume. I don't think this would last you for 8 hours, maybe 4 or 5. So you really just have to reapply this every now and then, but great everyday perfume. So that's it. Those are my favorite perfumes inspired by Filipino celebrities and influencers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and don't forget to subscribe so you'll always be updated once a new video is out. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.